So much has changed in the business world and how we do business, and more importantly, how we function as a business. The ability to be adaptable in these modern times is what will help your business find its edge and break out of the box. And to be adaptable, we need to be flexible. And to be flexible, we need to have that solid grounding within ourselves and also within our teams. Your team is the spirit and soul of your business. And if you get that right, your business shines. When we develop the inner leader, we empower the individuals, and when they feel empowered in their role, they're able to take initiatives, they're able to think out of the box, they're able to take risks. Actually, they're part of the whole, they belong to your business, and that is way more empowering. You'll see a difference, a deeper embedded difference of quality in how they will work in the business, and how they will communicate in the business, and how they will also lead in the business. And that then transforms the team culture, because now you have a trust-based team culture. Now you have a culture that is willing to be honest, real, and authentic with each other. They're all working towards that one common goal, or that one common vision, or mission, or intention. And that completely changes the environment of your business. It makes it exciting for people to want to come to work, to want to be together. It's a camaraderie, it's a collaborative, it's a community, it's a culture. And a team that is thinking differently and innovative and ready for change and ready for the new and always flexible is really going to help your business reach new, heights. And your team will walk away with a shared vision that is in alignment with your business. And your business will have a team that is ready to support it to its highest potential.